So hi, Stephen.
Hi.
We're here on 2HP stand.
Yes.
It's NAMM 2019.
It is.
And you've got some new modules, right?
We do. We have 4 modules that we're showing for NAMM this year.
Let's have a look at it.
Yeah. So, first up, we have the Sine. Sine is a Sine Wave Vco. Has a wide volt per octave range. It has 2 outputs that are simultaneous, a primary output and a sub output that it can be 1 octave below the primary output or 1/5 above or blended in between. On top of that, we have a wave folding control to add further complexity to the signal. Next to that, we have the DC, which is a variable offset voltage generator. This has 3 knobs with 3 different voltage ranges. The top knob is a 0 to 5 volt output, which can be used to control other modules nearby. The middle is 0 to 10 volts, the bottom is -5 to 5 volts. So each one of these has different use cases, and each one could be sent to a mult and then a number of other modules to control several things at once, as like a remote control type module.
So just, yeah, super useful utility thing.
Right, yeah. Moving on, to the right is the bell. The bell is a physical modeling device, emulating melodic percussion sounds. With this, you get volt per octave. On top of that, you get control over the mallet and the bar. So the bar is the thing that's being hit, and the mallet is the thing hitting it. So with the mallet control, we can soften the material being used to trigger the sound. Everything from like hard plastic or rubber type things to soft, more felt materials. Below that is the bar control, which changes the relationship of all of the filters inside to get to more harsher harmonic content and model things more similar to like Tibetan bowls and things of that nature. We have that being fed into our grain, which is a granular processor. Which is a mix control to blend between your input signal and your wet granular stream. A density control that changes the speed at which these grains are being generated. And that can be aperiodic as well as periodic. This also has a wide frequency range of 4 octaves above or 4 octaves below your signal. And that can also be volt per octave tracked. And those are the 4 modules we're showing this year at NAMM. They will all be released in the first half of the year. All 3 of the sound generators will be at 149, and the DC will be out for 89.
Excellent, Stephen. Thank you very much.
Thank you.